Microsoft wants for a serious phishing activity that may go very soon in our tech world. So this is a serious video. Without any further ado, let's get started. Microsoft Security Intelligence team is warning for a massive phishing attack recently because of the coronavirus issue. Why I mentioned it's because of the coronavirus issue is that all of these phishers or people who want to attack your computer are using this reason as the main thing to bait you. The phishing campaign, as detailed by Microsoft Security Intelligence team via Twitter, has been circulated since at least May 12th and comes with, as I told, COVID-19 lure to bait users into opening the email and campaigning attachments. Microsoft says that they're tracking a massive campaign that delivers the legitimate remote control access via Net Support Manager using emails with attachments containing malicious Excel 4.0 macros. The COVID-19 themed campaign started on May 12th and has so far used several hundreds of unique attachments. As you can see on the graph, it's going high day by day. These emails usually claim to originate from the Johns Hopkins Center with title like Who COVID-19 Situation Report. The email contains an attachment with the Microsoft Excel files which will show the statistics of the COVID-19 cases, and if you open it, it will open in the Excel 4.0 macros, so that you'll have to install it or else it won't open in other softwares. So once you open this Excel 4.0 macros, this Net Support Manager will start running so that the other people will start attacking your device because they'll have the remote control access of your device. Microsoft claims it is known to be abused by attackers to run code on compromised machines. From there, this Net Support remote access tool connects to a C2 server to administer more commands and also run more scripts on your machine. So they'll use your machine as one of the targeted machines and do some of the criminal activities. Microsoft has actually noted that there is a steady increase in use of the Excel 4.0 macros deployed in malicious campaigns. Since April, the team has been seeing these activities in the Excel 4.0 combined with COVID-19 lures to slip under the potential victims' radar. So the point is, don't open any of the mails or text messages which you don't know about it. Even if it's about the coronavirus issue, visit the government website and see the statistics. Don't open these kind of emails, especially on the Excel 4.0 macros. So that was pretty much everything about it. I really hope you guys liked it. If yes, please hit the subscribe icon and also the bell icon next to it. It will mean a lot to me. With that being said, my name is Rahul and I am signing out. Take care, guys.